Teacher Hajah here. Today I'm gonna teach you how to match cc+vc words with picture. So first, prepare the words. You cut like this, and prepare the picture. You can print out like this, and ask the children to match it with this one. Okay. On the other side, I'm going to show you how to do it one by one. So let's go. Okay, this is the first picture, children. Let's match with the words. So, what the picture is? The kids are play. So, it's a play. Good job. Teacher give you one to put. See? Yeah, good job, children. Okay, let's move to the next one. We have, what is this? A tree that become bigger. It's called grow. Good job. Teacher give you another one. Hiya! Good job. Okay, we have one last. Is a glow like a sun. Good job. Teacher give you another one, kids. Here. Yes. So, it's done. Good job. So, for parents, don't forget to give your children reinforcer after finishing this. And don't forget to practice more because practice make perfect. Bye-bye.